Hi everyone, this is Cindy Queen at the Heart. And before I get started on my project I'm going to make with you guys today, I want to do a share of a wedding card that I made for a colleague. So this is a shaker wedding card. It's using, I think it's called Wedding Day. It's from Echo Park, wedding paper. And I just stamped this happy, which is from Mama Elephant, and Wedding Day. And I just stamped it on the kind of leftover paper right here. Used my dies to create a little shaker. It says Happy Wedding Day, and then inside it just says congratulations. It was pretty easy to make, but I just love how it came out. Super, super cute. So I used stars and sequins and everything in here. Isn't that cute? So that is a wedding card that I made, and then I'm going to make a super, super simple Father's Day card. So I'm using a A2 size card. And for the front of my card, I'm just going to use a dog's tail. Very masculine paper. Cute. But it's got these B-sides, which I think are really wonderful for male cards. That one's paws, but stripes and greens and darks and plaids or whatever. So very cute. So I'm going to go ahead and put my paper down. This is my mat. It's cut slightly smaller than A2 size card. Now, my main image, I cannot for the life of me remember where I got this image. It's from the Cricut Design Space, but very simple there. And I did the shadow on it. So, I don't know, I know it's not Create a Critter or anything like that. I think it's in one, oh, I know. I remember now. This is, I believe, in the classroom, like the classroom stuff. And I think this is May and June. Is what I think this is. That is what it is. So Father's Day, I just cut that out, and I did the shadow on it. And then I had this die. It's from Paper Smooches. Paper Smooches. And I just used that. And I don't know where my... I was going to pop it up. I didn't know where my pop dot things are, so I'm just going to use this. So just use a piece of foam tape just for a little, it needs to be popped up a little bit, I think. I just used a little accent of white pen just so that it would pop up a little bit. And there we go. That's it. Happy Father's Day. Very simple to the point, and I'll stamp something inside, when I think about it. But super easy, super simple card. Really like how it came out. So thank you. Well, I think I'll show you one more thing. I just noticed that I've exposed this. So this is something I've started doing, which is art journaling. So here's one of the pages that I have done. And this I used distress paints because I have all these paints and I never use them. And I have so many stamp sets. So I actually used Honeybee Stamps, Seasonal Sweeties, I think this is. And this is from My Favorite Things. And it says, life isn't about how to survive in a storm, but how to dance in the rain. I first tried to stamp it, but it didn't stamp well. So I needed to buy some archival ink. So I did buy that. And then the other page that I've done is this one right here. And this is after kind of inspired by one of my favorite art journalists. And so I just kind of took that idea while I'm trying to figure out, my style. But this was all freehand drawn. I mean, it was very simple. It's all, you know, straight lines and basic shapes. So it was done on paper from a book and then cut out and then put on here, and I just painted and did a lot of painting and stuff with that, and that was really fun. So it's kind of, this is one that I had started a long time ago. This was going to be a doll book. I'm actually going to put another doll here just to finish this page or do something with this. So it's not left, you know, plain. So that's what that one was. But this has just become a regular, you know, art journal. So I'm working on that. And that's just something that I kind of started doing because I just wanted to be able to get a little bit more inky with some of my projects. So that's just something I got laying out and I work on as I have time. So thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Creating with the Heart.